Alright guys, I am at my new property that I just purchased, and I just wanted to make a quick video and show you guys what I'm doing because we got big plans for this, and I kind of want to do some before and after stuff. So here's the road here. I have a right-of-way, a 50-foot right-of-way that's going to go right up into here. We're going to walk it. Here's the opening from the road. My brother owns a landscaping construction company. He's going to be coming through here, and he's going to be doing some work for me, helping me out a lot, and I really appreciate it. So we're walking up through here. Here's again a shot from the road coming up. All this is going to be cleared, and I'm going to have a 50-foot driveway going straight up. Let's see if I can navigate my way through without stepping on somebody else's property here. So we got ribbon right here. My brother and I staked this whole thing out. A lot of deer tracks here. So this is the start. Where's the next ribbon? Right there. So you see that on that tree, there's a yellow caution ribbon, and here's our other one. So this is going to be our right of way. We're going to be cutting up through here. Look at all that mess. That's got to get cleared out. It's going to look nice though. We're going to smoothen everything out. I'm kind of hiking up a little bit of a hill here. It's an incline, but we're going to smooth it out. It's going to look good. Here's looking down. The road is like right about right there. My truck's over here. Right through here is my property line. Right into here, and this is the field that I own. So I've got 10 acres right here. Look at this, my friends. Snowmobile heaven for sure. I'm so excited. I'm so happy I was able to purchase this because it's like a dream come true. 10 acres of some woods, but mostly field, and it's just going to be amazing to ride through here. Yeah, I got it staked out. We used the onX app, which I got to give a shout out to onX. If you guys haven't checked it out, it is a very useful tool. I use it for snowmobiling. They have a snow feature, they have a dirt feature, they have a hunting feature. We've also used it for mapping the property lines here as well. I'm going to drop it down in the comments. I'm actually working with onX this year, and they gave me a 20% off to give to you guys. So if you want to go check it out, down in the description, get onX for yourself because it's really handy. Most apps, I've used some apps in the past, a lot of free apps that they'll kind of work, but they're missing a lot of features and they get you stranded. We've done a lot of traveling over the years, Mike and I. We've gotten lost a bit off of the free app, so get onX. Is well worth the money, and never get lost, and just know that you are on the right trails. And also tells you people's property lines, so you know if you're trespassing or not. So really useful tool, and I highly recommend it. Down in the description, onX. All right, so we made it quite a ways, but look at this. It's so hard for you guys to tell on the camera, but this is a massive piece of property, and I'm so excited. We got some water coming through here, hoping to build a spring on the property. The idea actually is to build a shop right there, somewhere in that area. It's going to be a shop slash house. So in building, it's going to be mostly shop, and then there's going to be a living quarters up above. It's going to look really nice. I might even put the design up on the screen so I can show you guys exactly what it looks like. It's a 36 by 42 shop, all right? So half of it's going to be a giant shop. Next half is going to have a garage and then a secondary little room, which might be an office. And then you climb up the stairs to the second level, and half of the shop, or half of the space, is going to be my living quarters. It's pretty much a dream home for me. Most of it is shop, obviously. I'll finally be able to work on things the way that I want to, so really excited about it. Here's another shot. We made it quite a ways, but I also thought about building like a barn out here, or maybe like a cabin. Some of this land up here is mine in the woods. It's just like, it's a dream come true, honestly. Yeah, see, there's another stake, so this would be our property line. So from there over, it's pretty much a giant rectangle. I'm so grateful. This really happened because of you guys. Because of YouTube, I've been able to purchase this. Obviously, I've worked a day job as well, but the supplemental income has helped me to do things like this, and I just cannot thank you guys enough. Very excited. I'm going to take some pictures while I'm here, and I just wanted to hop on here and show you guys before things start moving what's going on. I purchased a piece of property. We're making the dream come true. We're going to build the shop. Obviously, we're going to do some crazier stuff on the channel. Once I have that shot, man, my life is gonna change. So I'm about to take some pictures and we'll do an update in the future. Giving you another update on the property. I'm almost there, and I just got word today, that's why I'm going over here, that the driveway was finished. My brother has been helping me out a lot. Shout out to him. He has helped me tremendously on this project. Without him, I wouldn't be anywhere right now. But right now we have the driveway finished, and I'm gonna see it for the first time right here on camera. I'm gonna put the camera down. Wow, here it is. Oh man. Oh, this is incredible. I know you guys couldn't see anything of me driving up, but check this out. Wow, it feels real now. This is crazy. Wow. Look how wide this is too, I love it. That is awesome. I'm seeing it for the first time right here on camera. Got a couple culverts installed right here at the beginning of the driveway. We had some massive trees. I see he's got some still over here. We had some massive pine trees. I'll throw a picture up on the screen, but there's some good wood we pulled out of here. Wow. This is awesome. Oh, I'm so excited. This is crazy. Dozer. Oh man. So it's a little bit of an incline right there, but nothing any of my rigs can't tackle. Not too steep. I know he hit a little bit of ledge over there, but smoothing it out real nice. And look at this. Wow. You can't see the road from the field. This is my field right here. Wow. This is great. I'm so excited. So excited. So the shop house is gonna be right over there somewhere. This came out awesome. I'm so thankful for my brother to help me on this project. Oh man. I'm gonna just walk around for a little bit and take it all in, but yeah, dreams are coming true right here. Look at that. That's a good sledding hill.